besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to go over a few bags. Some have came out already, I believe. I think June 28th. And I'm speaking on the bum bags that I am going to speak on. And also a classic handbag that is coming out July the 12th. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, bestie, so I have my cell phone with me. You know, this is where I keep my notes. So we are going to hop right into the video. I want to first go over the LV Bum Bag Low Key. This has already been released June 28th. My inbox is full. You guys ask me, what do I really think? You want my opinion? I feel like this handbag is basically too small. We are honestly paying for the material, which is leather. For me, it's a big no-no. Just looking at it, it looks very small. The price, $2,690. And like I said, we are basically paying for leather, and I would say the gold hardware on the side, which I am speaking on the padlock that's on the side of the handbag, is coming out in cognac. You guys know how we feel about that color. And also black, of course. Like I said, I just feel like the bag is too small. I love the creativity of the shape of the handbag, like the V in the middle. That's absolutely adorable. But for almost $3,000 for a small bum bag, I am going to say no. As stated, guys, already released June 28th. You wanted my opinion. We are paying for the material. The handbag, the bum bag is absolutely too small. But if you are for smaller bum bags, quiet luxury, the only thing that I would say that would speak out and say that this is an LV, a Louis Vuitton handbag, is the padlock. And I'm pretty sure everyone knows that LV, they're known for that gold padlock. But again, this is quiet luxury. If you're looking for a smaller bum bag, this is it. Now, it's up to you if you are going to pay almost $3,000 for a small bum bag, basically. It comes with one zipper. I think since they have the V shape, it should have most definitely came with two zippers. That would have most definitely added and made up for the price. Inside, microfiber material. There's really no room to have any type of inside pocket, and looking at it, it doesn't have an inside pocket. So you guys, for me, it's a big no. Big huge no. And the strap is adjustable. I love how they have the strap going inside of the padlock on the side versus having the buckle strap in the back. So guys, again, you sent this to me. If you're looking for a smaller bum bag and you're willing to pay almost $3,000 for a leather bum bag, you have two colors to choose out of: the cognac and also the black. That's my opinion, okay? You guys also sent me this handbag. A lot of you guys, you were laughing, but I was only giving my true, honest opinion. I just feel like this is something that I will purchase for my mom. It wouldn't be something that I will purchase and have in my collection. Just being honest. And of course, it comes with, guys, the long strap. I'm just still looking at it, and I just feel like this is something my mom would, you know, wear to church, or it could be a work bag. If you guys want a luxury upscale work bag, this will be perfect. It comes out, like I said, in 3 colors. It comes out in the cream, the turtle dove color, and also the black. Okay, the price is $3,200, and the launch date is August the 30th. For me, it's a no. It's leather, front leather. This is what you guys like, and it's just a big no for me. You guys asked, and I'm only answering your DMs. The inside Seems pretty roomy. It has 2 compartments, and it has a very seems like large back pocket. So if you guys want to put your cell phones back there, you guys know how we feel about easy access grabbing our phones. And it also has a zipper compartment that can replace a mini pochette. So if you don't have an unpruned leather and you're matchy and you don't have a mini pochette that's unpruned leather, guys, you can just use this middle compartment. I'm basically just trying to help you with the bag. You can use it as a tote. The longer strap, I'm pretty sure, is for a shoulder bag. I wouldn't use this as a crossbody. It just seems absolutely huge. But it does state PM. Okay, it does say PM. And it also, I'm just saying, it comes out in the MM size in the color black as well. And for the color black in the MM size is $3,450. So if you want a larger size than the PM size, it's coming out in the color black. The inside, smooth microfiber material. And guys, I really don't know what to say. And you also can see the tote handle is adjustable. You see how it has the buckle, it has the latches. You can adjust how long you want the tote handle to be. But again, for me, this isn't something that I would basically pick up and use every day. So I would say this is something if you want to have something to go to work in. It wouldn't be an everyday bag for me. But if you guys are not fans of the Neverfull, you know, the black unpruned Neverfull, this would be a second option. Like I said, this is something I would honestly purchase for my mom. So again, it comes out in the PM size in 3 colors, and it comes out in the MM size in the color black. I already ran over the prices. I think it's pretty reasonable for unpruned leather handbag. I'm just answering your questions, guys. Okay, so I wanted to speak on this. LV, you kind of went back and grabbed a classic and brought it back to us. I'm absolutely happy and proud. I am proud. But the quality, that's what we need to work on. So going back and getting these classic handbags, I'm absolutely game for that. I love this. This is basically like a Neverfull with a zipper minus the pochette. You could have threw that pochette in there. I still would have considered it a classic. You could have threw the pochette in there. You guys know we love the little pochettes. But here we are, guys. The LV Piano Monogram Handbag. The only thing that I am also going to add, I would say it's time to kind of switch it up. You could have gave us black leather, reverse monogram. We still would have took the classic vachetta. We still could have. So I think this is absolutely amazing. I told you guys I am done with monogram handbags for now. But if they would have added black leather, guys, now we're talking. Reverse monogram. Now we're talking. Just that little bitty piece of the bottom lower side could have been reverse monogram with black leather strap. Black leather strap, and that piece could have been black leather. But here they are, giving us more of a shadow, which I understand because, like I said, this is a classic handbag. The release, the launch date is August the 2nd. So if you've always wanted a Neverfull, but you honestly dislike the opening of a Neverfull, get this. This is perfect. And the strap is absolutely better. It's thicker. It's not the thin strap from the Neverfull. And I love this. Like I said, they went back classic, and we love when they go back and they bring us those classic handbags. Like I said, they just need to work on the quality. But the price is $2,600. I think it's worth it. So it's also, like I said, it's coming with a back compartment, a back pocket. The inside is the rough textile material, just like a Neverfull, guys. The inside of a Neverfull has the textile material. And you guys know I love the microfiber material, which is just so smooth. I just think it adds so much to the handbag. But here we are, guys. At the front, you can see that you can adjust the strap. So, as you guys can see, so far I have showed you 2 handbags to where you can adjust the straps. So is this going to be a new thing that's rolling out for 2024 into 2025? I'm here for it. I love adjustable straps. I really do. But I love detachable straps even better. So this is giving us vachetta. And you guys know when it gives us vachetta, we need to have apple guard. I've already went through the experience of having the water spots, getting caught in the rain, guys. It's easy to transfer the oil and lotion, guys. You don't even think about it. You put the lotion on your hand, you reach for your handbag, and guys, that's it. You look at your handbag, and it's most definitely stained. The oil is going to show. So make sure you have apple guard. I am here for this. This is a classic handbag. They are bringing it back. I am here for this because I am a big fan of zippers and securing your items. So again, if you've always wanted a never full and you just can't stand the opening, even having an organizer inside, I think this would be a great option. And I am so happy that LV took this route. I'm here for it. So yes, if I see you with it, if you want to show me, send me a DM. If you go and get it, please share. I'm loving it. And I wanted to speak on this as well. This LV Ostrich White Pearl handbag. For some reason, I am just loving the color white on handbags. I mean, I am loving it. But this white pearl and this ostrich material, guys, I love this. I love this. The gold hardware, I'm here for it. Okay, so we have the beautiful Pochette Matisse East West. I am so surprised. I never thought that LV would release an exotic in the Pochette Matisse East West. So that is something different. Then we have the loop. I told you guys, they are going to be releasing a lot of the loop handbags. A lot of different colors. A lot of different designs, and not designs, the print, a lot of different prints. So we have the ostrich. I just showed you recently a pink leather that's coming out. They are releasing all of these loop handbags, but not reverse monogram. We're going to talk about that later, okay? And then we also, the vanity chain pouch. They released this in the reverse monogram. It's just like the Vanity PM. It's just smaller. And I told you guys, LV is going to continue to release these small crossbody handbags and go up on the price. But this color with the gold hardware is giving what it's supposed to give. I am here for it. But what I love the most out of this entire collection is the Noe Purse LV Charm. It's small. Yes, it is. But guys, anything that gives me a little trunk feel, I absolutely love it, meaning they added more gold hardware. I just wish they can put the padlock somewhere, even if it's on the side. I just love gold, and gold with this white pearl combo is amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. So I am here for this entire line, the LV Ostrich White Pearl. I am here for this totally. I'm loving this line, okay? So LV, you did an amazing job. I'm just kind of wishing that the handbags were larger, but for some reason I am so excited about the East West. That is absolutely adorable. So guys, let me know how you feel about these new releases. And also, if you are interested in the bum bag, guys, it already launched. So for you guys that are in my DMs, ask my opinion. I only gave you the truth. I just feel like that the bum bag is too small to be paying almost $3,000. You are basically paying for a leather handbag. But if you want a smaller bum bag, guys, it's right there in your face. Go to the website and purchase. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.